reverse puppet.
Did you know I used to be a real rock star?
We're gonna get reverse puppet.
Now I'm
Bro,
a
shut up.
superstar.
So we're gonna get puppet. Sorry. We're gonna get puppet, sun, and moon in today's video. So first we're gonna start with the hard ones because I forgot to record. I was recording, but I forgot to put on my mic. Yeah, I know I suck. I'm sorry. So you wanna go here? Time to get to the most annoyingest of them all. Moon. Yay. I freaking hate moon. It's so hard. Alright. So this is gonna take half of the video. Yay. So once you collect the sun plushie, it's gonna be right here, sitting. Just chilling. It's gonna be just chilling. So then you wanna go to this one, moon plush. And you'll be teleported to this.
Freddy Fazbear's Mega Pizzaplex is now closed. Initiating nighttime protocols.
Crap, bro. If your kid has lost in you, yes, don't go for him. I'm just joking, go for him. Oh, this is strat. Come here first. This is the first place you go. Go all the way back here. Then make sure you get flashbang. So just stare at him and you'll just stop. And this is good because when you're up there, when you have like a roof, he's not gonna come for you. Well, he's not gonna go up immediately. He's gonna look for the opening like here, and then he's gonna go whoom. Fine, it gives you more time to look too. So it's overpowered. It's not overpowered, but it's good. It's good. No. He's right there. He says, get flashbang. Get flashbang. Get flashbang, monkey. Alright. I'm not gonna try and make this video so long so you guys get bored. Like, I don't know how other YouTubers do it, where they just instantly get this. They're not instantly, but like, it's easy for them.
Nighty night.
Your voice lines are not cool, buddy.
It's your bedtime.
Bro said nighty night.
Nighty night. Nighty night.
I wonder if the animatronics can hear. Get your corrupted face out of here, but I just dodged him. Bro's dumb.
Nighty night.
Die. I mean, get flashbang. Yeah. I love to watch Moon suffer. Sorry. He's right there. Get flashbang. Oh my gosh. I'm so lucky. Gonna stay here for a while.
It's past your bedtime.
It's not actually. Sorry, bro. For me, my bedtime's at 8:30. JK, I don't have a bedtime totally. Get flashbang, buddy boy. Locked in. Bro, I'm saying you like it. He's right there! my gosh! Bro waited for me to get up here. Bro said, get over here. I did it! Oh my gosh! That took me forever! Yo! I'm shaking! Yo, Alden would be so mad if I didn't get that. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh my god. Alright, time to review them. Ooh, that took forever. So, reverse is the reverse marionette. Or puppet. So, their idol is kind of different. Okay, that's kind of hard. What's this? Sorry. I want to use this then. I know. It's kind of cool. Sorry. But this is kind of cool, not gonna lie.
I don't hate you, but you need to stay out of my way.
That's hard.
Seeing you powerless is like music to me. The others are under my protection.
The heck? This thing's giving me the heebie-jeebies. This is the goofiest deactivated seat I've ever seen. Nah, I still have the original oof sound. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Alright, next one is sun. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Sun is happy.
Are you having fun yet? Are ya? Security alert! Security alert! Woo, 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 woo! Ho, ho, ho!
Bro, what the heck was ho, ho, ho? This is how he runs? That's weird, bro. That's scary. Imagine you wake up and you see this chasing you. It's cool and all. This is cool. This is sick. But like, this is cool. I like it. Yo, I'm about to play the real minigame. That's sun. 99. The sun is actually pretty cool. Oh. Bro has the goofiest walk, the goofiest song. I love this guy. He deactivates it. That's cool. His stand up is like, woo! His deactivate, just deactivate. It's just like, alright, now time to check on Moon. The guy that I hate, and I hope not the best of it. Moon, yay! So happy, totally so happy. Alright, Moon, bro, I'm gonna say it's all dark. Okay, Moon. Bro. Well, it's not the best to perform. The deactivates it. Sounds better. This is just his deactivate. This is just deactivate. Pretty nonchalant. There's laughter. There's
It's past your bedtime. Nighty-night.
That's scary. And this is how he runs. Just like Sun. I think they have the same animation. This is how he walks. I know, I come in. He walks like a boss, bro. Now I'm walking in a boss. Like a boss. This is sick. I like him. Either way, he just chased me like this the whole time. Now I kind of fear him. He's cool. I like him. I'm the bop it. I remember when he was right here. He was like right here, bro. Well, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this today video. Hope this helped, and I hope you don't suffer like me trying to get this guy with no cool cutscenes, just a goofy run, goofy walk, and a goofy deactivate, sit, and deactivate. Bye. See you later.